There are many ways tests look different today than they did even a decade ago, including what students are being asked to do and how they respond. The assessments on computers allow us to test more complex thinking and skills through interactive, multi-step problems, not just selecting which A through D bubble to fill in. For example, in math, instead of identifying the example of a quadrilateral, students are constructing quadrilaterals using line segments that they can drag and drop onto a virtual piece of graph paper. In science, a student might be asked how to create an experiment to determine the best salinity for growing brine shrimp. Students are asked to explain how they set up the experiment using beakers, water, salt, and shrimp eggs. They will run the experiment, report results, and describe how they reached the conclusion. These items show how modern tests are so dynamic that teaching a kid how to respond to these items is truly teaching the grade level standards. In the past, when we heard complaints about teaching to the test, this was due to some teachers doing hours of test prep, giving practice tests, and teaching specific items that were on previous tests. But assessments have changed. They are adaptive, have hundreds of items that could appear on the test, and students are responsible for demonstrating they understand what is being asked. They cannot just guess which bubble to fill in. Which is why, nowadays, if I heard somebody say, "My teacher is teaching to the test," I would say great, because that would be teaching to the grade level content standards.